In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message someone on Upwork. We'll start right from a fresh browser. Open Google, then in the search bar type Upwork. Click the official Upwork website from the results to head to the platform. Once you're on Upwork, the simplest way to message a freelancer you haven't worked with yet is by inviting them to a job. That invitation includes a message and opens a conversation thread if they respond. So first, navigate to the talent search area. In the search field, enter the type of professional you're looking for. For this walkthrough, let's use virtual assistant as the example. You'll see a list of freelancers who match that skill. Browse the results and look for a profile that fits your needs. Take a moment to scan each freelancer's overview, hourly rate, work history, and recent reviews. This quick review helps you craft a more relevant and compelling message later. When you find someone promising, look for the Invite to Job button. You'll see it either on their profile or next to their name in the search results. Click it to open the invitation window. A message template will appear. This is Upwork's built-in starting point for your outreach. Read it carefully. It's perfectly fine as a baseline, but a personalized note drastically improves your chances of getting a response. Go ahead and edit the message area. Explain briefly who you are, what you need help with, and why their specific experience stood out to you. Mention the scope at a high level, share the expected timeline, and include any must-have tools or availability requirements. If you're comfortable, reference a budget range or whether the work is hourly or fixed price. Close with a single clear question, like asking about their earliest availability or a quick confirmation of a key skill. Keep it concise, friendly, and professional. Depending on your account, Upwork may ask you to choose an existing job post to attach to your invitation. Select the relevant job if prompted so the freelancer can see the full details alongside your message. Review everything one more time to ensure it's clear and typo-free. When you're happy with the note, click Send Invitation. That sends your message and officially invites the freelancer to discuss the work. If they reply, the conversation will continue in your Upwork messages, where you can share more details, exchange files, and schedule a call if needed. And that's it. Starting from Google, finding the right person, customizing the template, and sending a professional invitation that opens the door to a productive conversation.